In this lesson, we're reading from page 27 of the Safar Abridged Qa'idah, which is the standing fathah. So the concept is the same as having a fathah followed by a joining alif that we've done in page 26, 24. So we've already done that in page 24. So the sounds are the same, it just looks a bit different. So this, if you just zoom in here a little bit, if you look at the bar in box number 2 here, the standing fathah is the green line above the bar. The bar is in black and the standing fathah is that green line above it. Okay, so it gives each letter the R stretch. Okay, so we'll just go through the sounds, just remind ourselves what the sound is from that previous lesson. So from box number 1 going across, A, Ba, Ta, Tha, Ja, Ha, Kha, Da, Dha, Ra. Now we're on box 11. Za, Sa, Sha. Here we start, we've got the, obviously Kha is a full mouth letter as well, and bear in mind with the full mouth letters it's not an R stretch, it becomes an A stretch. Yeah, so the Sad is Sa, Dad is Da, Ta is Ta, Va is Va. Okay, and then you've got the Ain, A, Ghain, full mouth again, so it's Gha. Fa is Fa. We're on box 21 now. Qaf is full mouth, so it's Qa. Ka, La, Ma, Na, Ha, Wa, A, Ya. Sorry, this guy's in the way, isn't he? Okay, so that's the sounds. We're going to move on to the words now. You've got some really nice examples here to work on. So the first one, we're going to break it down. First we're going to look at the letters, and then we're going to add the harakat, and then we're going to put the sounds kind of like together. So the first letter is Noon. The second letter is Hamza. You've got Noon and a Hamza. The Noon has a fathah, so it's the quick sound N, and the Hamza has the standing fathah, which is the lesson that we're on today. So it's A. It's a simple 1 second stretch. N, A. Okay, box 31. Ha, Dhal, and Alif. Here notice I said Alif and not Hamza. Why? Why? Ask yourself why. Because if there's no harakat or shadda or sukoon or any symbol on the alif, it's a alif. As soon as it gets one of those symbols, it becomes a hamza. Okay? We've explained this in previous lessons as well. No, it's a little bit to get your head around, but inshallah, hopefully that does help a little bit. So here we have the ha with the standing fathah, so it's ha. Dhal with alif and a fathah. So you've got both examples of that stretching, but in the two different ways. One from page 24, which is the fathah followed by the joining alif, and then you've got the standing fathah on the ha. So ha, dha, simple. Box 32, Hamza, and then a lam, and then a ha. So the Hamza has a kasra. It's a E sound, so it's E, and then this lam has a standing fathah, so it becomes la, ila. Ha, double dhamma, so it's the un sound, so hun, ilahun. Yep. And then box 33, we've got Hamza, a Mim, and a Noon. So it's a, m, am, n, amana. Yeah. And if we move on to box 34, so you've got a dal, a lam, and a kaf. Dal has a standing fathah, so it's this sound. The lam has a kasra, so it's li, li, and the kaf has a fathah, so it's ka, dhalika. Okay. And 35, qaf, ta, and a lam. So qaf here, we've got this first word that we've come across with a full mouth letter in it, with that stretch. So it's qa, qa, yeah, not qa. That would be wrong because the qaf is full mouth. And then you've got the ta and the lam, so it's qatala. Okay. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'll just go through the rest of the sounds, and you can double check your own pronunciation, inshallah, in your own time. So it's maliki, kalama, sirajan, banati, ya bani, salamun. And moving on to the last 3 lines, starting from box 42, mubarakun, alamatin, aniyatin, samawatin, khalatika, biayati, dhulumatin, zalimuna. You notice it's getting longer now, you've got more sounds. I'll break this one down a little bit, this box 50. So you've got a ta, a va, a ha, ra, waw, and a noon. Ta has a fathah, so it's ta. A va has a standing fathah, so it's va. Just like you say the letter va. So ta va. Ha has a fathah, so it's ha. Ta va ha. Ra joins the waw with that dhamma. So it's a dhamma followed by a joining waw. Yeah, so it's ru, that stretch. Tadhaharu, and noon has a fathah, so it's na. Tadhaharuna. Yeah, we'll do the rest. So it's box 51 now. Bi ayatina. Box 52. Yukhadi'una. And box 53, falidhalika. Okay, that's pretty much it. So keep working hard and keep practicing. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the relevant section. Please like, subscribe, and share the videos. Jazakallahu khairan. And inshallah I'll see you in the next tutorial. Well, you'll see me. Maybe I'll see you. If you go to the check my Tajweed section, if you want me to have a look at any of your lessons, please feel free to, don't be shy. This is, it's up to us really to correct our Tajweed ourselves. Nobody's going to come up to us and say, wait a minute, you're not reading this properly, you're not reading that. It's up to us to go and check and find out if we are reading correctly. And it is important. So we've got a section on one of the playlists, is called Check My Tajweed. You can go on there and you can download your own recordings, and I'll give you some feedback, inshallah, if that's what you want. See you next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.